Here's something amazing. Allah says in the Quran, He created the heavens and the earth in 6 days. This also appears in religious books in Christianity and Judaism. Also appearing in all 3 books is the statement that one day with Allah equals 1,000 years by our measure. Some Christian scholars link the 2 statements to thus conclude that the universe or earth must be 6,000 years old. This in turn puts science and religion at odds with one another, creating a divide between belief and scientific proof. We, however, have something special with us in the Quran. The Quran was revealed in Arabic, which is a very precise language. That precision can help us find the truth. Looking again at the verse, Allah created the heavens and the earth in 6 days. This word in Arabic, yawm, is the one typically translated to day. However, in Arabic, it also means time period, or in other words, phases. So the Quran is telling us the universe was created in 6 phases. So let's try this. Let's go to Google Images and search for phases of the Big Bang. And let's look at one of the first images we find. Look at that, 6 phases, the 7th being the current universe. There's more. Elsewhere in the Quran, Allah tells us He created the earth in 2 days. So the universe was in 6 days and the earth in 2, or about 1/3 of the time. Let's Google the current scientific estimate for the age of the universe. We'll see it's 13.82 billion years. And the scientific age of Earth is 4.543 billion years. Now, dividing the 2, that's almost 0.33, or 1/3. Nice, right? Okay, look. Here in the Quran, Allah describes an amazing moment in the creation of the universe. When the heaven was smoke, we said to it and the earth, "Come." This to me seems to be describing the moment gravity began, the attractive force between particles of matter. And it was the force of gravity that directly caused everything else to form in the universe. From planets, moons, galaxies, from asteroids crashing into Earth to seed it with iron, all of that was only possible with gravity. Now this verse seems to say gravity started when the universe was a mix of smoke and earth, or dust, smoke and dust. And the next verse implies stars formed soon after. Let's look it up. Science estimates that 300 to 500 million years after the Big Bang, the first stars formed in this phase of the Big Bang. Just 2 phases to our current universe. But guess what? This is when the universe was mostly primordial gas and dust. And this is when this mysterious force, gravity, came around to amplify dense clouds of gas until they collapsed under their own weight to trigger fusion reactions that ignited the first stars. Sound familiar? Except science is still uncertain on what exactly caused gravity to kickstart to begin with. Well, Islam isn't. Subhanallah. Oh, and in case there was any doubt that the Big Bang was indeed what caused the universe to form, the Quran describes it as well. That's why Islam is so beautiful. Because it's not a matter of faith, but a description of reality, and thus entirely consistent and compatible with science. It views science as merely the discovery of the truth already put in place by God, to be discovered by man for its benefit.